CaNO3 twice. Aluminum nitrate AlNO3 twice. Sorry, thrice, not twice, thrice. So now we are going to discuss how to write chemical formulas. I will discuss mostly today or tomorrow. You can complete all the basics. There is no pending for you. Okay. If follow that one, today only we will discuss that very simple concepts. Chemical formulas how to write. So I'm going to use here some crisscross method that name. Before that one, I'm going to give valency of some elements. Just note down: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. All this can show +1 is the valency. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. It can show +2. Fe, cobalt, aluminium, +3. Even Fe can show +2 also. Okay. Fe, Zn, nickel, even copper, it can show +2 also. But difference when you get sir +2 +2, there's a maybe question. Suppose I'm going to be represent iron 2. I will write Roman letter 2 like this. This indicate iron is +2. Iron 3 I kept means what is iron action state here? +3. Try to note down. Don't save pen paper. You don't want think like that already. I know all these things. By writing, nothing is going to be wrong. You may can get extra points. So these are the first class for you. I mean second class for you people. How many people are second class this is? Can you say yes? At least few people. Okay, this first class. Second class, huh? Okay, fine. Okay, fine, no issue. Good, good. No issue. We'll learn everything, you don't worry. Then you're writing still more. CU, spelling you have to write. Spelling is up to you. Even you wrote wrong also doesn't matter. Okay. In our chemistry, just formulas more than enough. Cu +1 also will be there. It can show Cu plus. I am dictating. You can note down Q plus. YUS should be ending. Q plus. Right. Q plus. I think so. Spelling. There is UPR. You can write Q plus. UYUS or something is there. Q plus. Cu. This is 1. Keep in mind. 1 oxidation state. Cu +1 is Q plus. Cu +2. Q prick. IC. Ending with IC. IC. Q prick. Maybe you can see Q prick. Or spelling you can check. Doesn't matter. Q prick. Fe3. Ferric. IC. Fe2. Ferrous. OUS. Ending with OUS. Ferrous. FERROUS. You can write. Ferrous. Fine. These are the mostly cations, and something I will give ammonia. This is ammonium ion. Are this color is okay for you, or yellow or white you can use? No issue. Ammonium ion. Hg plus, mercurous. Okay. Hg plus or Hg2 2 plus, both are same, right? Mercurous, OUS, Mercurous, and with OUS, Mercurous. Try to note down little bit fast. Mostly we can close this class only, all basics which you discussed. If need, one more class we'll take. Clear? Hg2 plus, mercuric, IC. This is 2 oxygen state and with ic, mercury. Here you should be understand one point, which is higher value. Suppose this is 1 and 2, which is the higher? 2 is the higher. Then I am using end with IC. Which is less 1, that is I am using OUS. Can you observe iron also? Iron 3 and 2, 2 they are showing, which is the highest? 3, that's why end with ic. So lesser one, OUS. Same thing for mercury, plus 1, mercurous, plus 2, higher one, ic. If possible, you can note down or underline that point. That's up to you. There is no special statement like that. Okay. These are based on by solving problems you are getting. And did you got finally? You wrote everything? Can I go next slide? Okay, fine. All right, shit. Alright, take challenge yourself. We have to learn in the class, within the class. Don't think I can study later. Take challenge yourself, how much your IQ level and memory power, everything you can test now. This is the right time you can do. These are the cations mostly. If any extra cations come, we'll discuss later. No issue. Now I'm going to write anions. Okay, can write one statement here. Only one point. Right, very simple. This is chemistry. I'm using English and everything is very simple. Don't think that one. You can make yourself own sentence. Sentence. Either you can leave one line, otherwise first you can see example. Cl minus. What is the name? Chloride. I hope everyone you know that one. Br minus. What is the name? Bromide. Is it correct? O2 minus. What is the name? Oxide. So what's the ending with everyone? IDE, IDE, IDE. Is it correct? So right, now statement we make and write. So any element have negative charge, its name end with IDE. Is it correct? The statement can I write? Any element have negative charge, its name end with IDE. Can you note down the statement? Any element have negative charge, its name end with END. End with which one? IDE. Are understood or not? Only simple sentence. Now you can write few more examples. F minus, right, names. Now you have to write names. H minus, N3 minus, yes, very good. Fluoride, hydride, yes, correct. All these are correct. I will give you everything. You don't worry that one. Huh? N3 minus, right, nitride. Things you wrote, huh? I'm going next one more. Okay, S2 minus, sulfide, ID, sulfide, P3 minus, phosphide. You can write now all these things. Phosphide. You should be right spellings perfectly. Supposed to we are studying almost now you are 11th standard means minimum 10 plus years you done English medium, but still you are looking spellings means that's very bad. Anyway, by writing spelling also doesn't matter in chemistry. If you know symbols more than enough, you don't worry that one. Next, anyway, in our exam no one will ask spellings. A B C D 4, you know that one enough, you can get NEET or JEE exam easily. Fine. Next, AS is arsenic. Arsenic 3 minus arsenide. Okay, arsenide, arsenic this is. Next I can give which is I minus isn't given anywhere. Okay, fine, right. I minus iodide. Next, any other frequently we are using? Okay, right. O 2 O2 2 minus peroxide. O2 minus 1 superoxide. Superoxide. Anything completed? Let me know. You can go further. This is general case, general statement. Don't think that one, sir, given statement previous is different or now. General this is, but in chemistry we can't say 100%, which is going to be one statement going to be satisfy everything. That's not possible. And even I told starting classes, which is chemistry knowledge, that is very very less compared to which you are going to be learned 11th and 12th chemistry. We have total 10th standard few chapters. In that case, chemistry is few. In that case, numericals is very less. Clear? But now here one chapter we are going to be solve more than 500 sums. More than. Even our complete 10th standard we done 500 sums for complete your science. Here one chapter we are going to be do like that. That's why don't compare with your whatever you have knowledge with your 11th standard. Some people maybe you have good knowledge and because of different reasons you are good, you are reading textbooks or maybe by sharing with others, or you may went some foundation classes, different reasons that is. But no problem, some people already know these things. Be patiency. Okay, within 2 classes we can close, then you can start next class onwards properly. I think you understood everything. This is we are expecting. Next, compounds which is anions. Anions. Anion means negative charge. Cation means positive charge. That's only simple. Okay. OH minus. Can you write name? Yes, H. I think so. Please leave it. SH we can be writer. It doesn't matter. We can write. Hydroxide. Okay. This is hydrogen sulfide. Hydroxide. CO3 2 minus. Is the name? Carbonate. SO4 2 minus. Sulfate. PO4 3 minus. Phosphate. NO3 minus. Nitrate. Arsenide, arsenic. You can see AS is the arsenic. Arsenic. If minus is there, arsenide, IDE. Understood? Next. NO2 minus. Nitrite. Array ITE. This is ATE. SO3 2 minus. Sulfite. Array mostly you know all these things. Okay. But still, for my satisfaction. Next, CrO4 2 minus. I think so. CHRO, chromate. Cr2O7 2 minus. Dichromate. Array CH is there or not, you can find. Okay. Dichromate. Next, ClO3 minus. Chlorate. ClO4 minus. Perchlorate. Any other anions which is used previously? CH3CO minus. Acetate. Your whole 10th standard, I think so. These only are using, maybe a little bit more also. Any other anions you are using? Did you remember? CH3CO minus. This is acetate. Any anions? Name you can send. Otherwise, I will write formula. Otherwise, you can send through chart any formula also, which you forgot. Other than this, yeah, still you can write some. Can I go further? Yes, bisulfate. Yes, correct. We are going to be discussed that is also. Permanganate. Correct. Next paper you can write. Next slide you can write. Can I go next slide? Next slide. And if completed, let me know. I can go for next slide. Next slide. Correct. We'll write all anions which you remembered. That's only. You can learn together everything. That's already I wrote CH3CO minus. Acetate ion. This is acetate. Next, MnO4 minus. Permanganate. Correct. Permanganate. Next, HCO3 minus. Bicarbonate. Bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate also you can write. Hydrogen carbonate they can use. Hydrogen carbonate. HSO3 minus. Bisulfite. You can write hydrogen sulfite also. HSO4 minus. Bisulfate. Or hydrogen sulfate. Any other? Somewhere cations we discussed all the names. SN means what is the SN? That is tin we called. SN means SN tin. SN is tin. I think so. Silicates, correct. Okay, SiO4 minus. Hydrogen sulfide. Yes, correct. Hydrogen sulfide gas, that is fine. That is also, but HSO HS minus. This is also you can use hydrogen sulfide ion. Okay, hydrogen sulfide ion you can use. Then correct. Hydrogen sulfide ion. Otherwise, just H2S is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide ion because charge indicate. Now this is the anions, is it correct? I think so. Can you open your notes? Can you look all the anions, cations? Now you can write by using small simple Kriss-Cross method. Kriss-Cross method. I'm using the simplest method. You can try all formulas you can write, sir. Doesn't matter that is. For example, I'm asking sodium sulfate. Na, what is the charge? Like given here Na plus 1. Is it correct? Na is plus 1. So write plus 1. Don't take sign, take only number or magnitude. Sulfate, how much, sir? 2 minus. Write 2 here. Criss-cross, I'm doing cross. 1 here. Na2, SO4, whole bracket 1. Okay. You may can write that simplest form is Na2SO4. Understood? Next, write sodium phosphate. Na plus 1 is fixed. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. Then again write criss-cross. Correct? Na3 PO4 taken 1. So finally we'll get Na3 PO4. Now we can apply for magnesium sulfate and phosphate. Are very simple these are. I hope already you know. Now I'm going to give some work. SO4 2 minus. Are same charges we can cancel each other. See why I am taking here 2 Na because this is 2 minus. To equal 2 minus, I have to make neutral. This is 2 minus. That can neutral by 2 positive. That's why Na2SO4. Here Na is plus 1. This is 3 minus. How can I make neutral? By taking 3 sodium and 1 phosphate, I can make neutral. That is the reason we are taking. Okay. And this also same thing. 2 positive, 2 negative, it will cancel automatically. Mg2, SO4 taken twice. But these are simplest formula. You have to write formula means 2 will be cancelled. Same number means you can cancel. MgSO4. Magnesium phosphate, Mg2 plus. PO4 3 minus. Then apply here criss-cross. Mg3 PO4 taken twice. Let me know you understood or not first these things. If you have any doubt, let me know. If you understood, we can proceed further. First note down all these things, try to understand, take time. Once you got, then you can go further. Even you know, try to write on paper. Nothing is going to be wrong. Don't save pen paper. Maybe in future we'll discuss what is the, even I will discuss what is the use of pen paper by using that one. If I'm going to be take any classes for you, we'll discuss, we'll motivate ourselves, we can see everything. But anyway, we'll discuss what is the use of pen paper also. If completed, let me know that one. Just through SMS, you can say, sir, completed like that. I think so. You understood, I'm expecting. Let me know if you are not understanding. We'll discuss one more example. Very simple. Just you can see charge. Already charges already given. You don't want to do anything. Take from here magnesium plus 2 or not. Take aluminum if I am asking. Take their charge. And corresponding anions already be given. Take that anion. Then enough you can write. Just criss-cross. That's why I'm asking you. Test your memory or your IQ level. Clear? I think so. You understood. We're expecting. If you are not getting, please let me know. We'll discuss. I have a target. You have to learn. That's the only target. Nothing remaining things. And even in future also, keep that in your mind. Your mind. Don't think about any teacher. Any doesn't matter. We are learning or not. That is useful to our target or not. That is the only important here. Okay. And things I told that one very simple thing. Suppose rough notes, sir. Some people, I think most of the people are writing. Try to maintain one notes per chemistry. Starting onwards, assume that one up to this is your target. 2022 you are going to write JEE mostly. Up to that, this notes should be there. Don't write in rough paper, diary somewhere. If possible, keep chemistry notes, then write. And see, I'm going to tell the difference. Already mostly people are attended my starting classes. And if you practice per year 20 rough notes, assume that one. Only I'm telling you about chemistry. To make and get NIT, okay, but practicing 30 to 40 notes, rough notes, you may can get, assume that one, or even more also required, IIT. See, that decide by your number of rough notes is also after understanding. Just understanding is not sufficient. It will remove completely your errors in examination because you have negative marks. And in examination, by writing extra 20 to 10 extra rough notes as you are practicing means, you can get your concept very clear and very fast. After learning, today this is completed. Okay, take your plain paper. How many anions you remembered? Anions, and with names you can write. How many cations you remembered? Write with names without seeing. Test yourself. If you are able to remember everything, that's very good. Then take yourself. Now I am going to give one model table. Like that, you have to practice remaining also. Okay. So that decided by your number of rough notes is who done by understanding more practice, they will get easily success. Clear? That not depends upon brand. Okay, one good teacher required, I will accept that is 100% I will accept. But your interest is the dominate. Student contribution is 98% per rank. And institute plus parents plus teachers, this contribution is 2%. But to make your 98%, institute as well as your teacher parents contribution also more. NEET also same. Nothing is going to be NEET also same. Very good. NEET also everything is that depends upon your practice. Here nothing to think about other things. See, your contribution is 98% JEE or NEET whatever. Remaining 2% only parents and students. To get your 98% motivation, we need that is. I can accept that word. But who are self-motivated, those are too good. Are you able to listen my voice now? Clear? So try to be self-motivated. So whenever your parents is coming from office, then by looking them outside, then opening textbook, and once they enter into the home, still now I studied very well. I need your mobile to play mobile games. So those things is not good. I try to sacrifice these 2 years your mobiles. Okay, then you can get too much updated mobiles also. Everyone they will whatever you want you can fight. These 2 years. I'm not telling don't use 100%. Use, but proper direction a little bit. If you want to do something extra activities, do physical exercises. That's better. Then you will see later all these things. But keep in mind, whatever you have knowledge that is good, but that is not sufficient. You have to learn more. Rate 200% increases syllabus compared to your 10th standard. 10th is 1% only. We have chemistry knowledge. Okay, this is 200% going to be increases syllabus. That's why please keep in mind whatever you have knowledge, keep with you, show in examination only. Understood? Now I am giving cation and anion list. I need all the formula with names. Can you try? Take challenge, sir. How many people are able to write? Even we are not getting, don't feel bad. Again, refer our example, which is I given 3 examples. From that, try to get answer. Okay, don't disappoint, sir. I didn't get answers. Try first your best. If you are not getting, I will be there here only. We'll discuss. Now we can see here I am taking iron. Iron 3 I kept here, means what is iron oxidation state? Plus 3. I need name also, name as well as compound formula. Zn. How much zinc? Already I given, you can refer. I won't give the charges. That's your wish. K. Calcium. Next, aluminum. NH4 plus. NH4 plus already you know. Okay. I need with name also. Name as well as formula. Here, I'm taking sulfate. And you can make big table. I'm not going to discuss every example here. I will take a very few. We have doubt, which is you have doubt. Phosphate. N3 minus. O2 minus. Cl minus. Okay. Write corresponding formulas with name. Take it. Start. Write your answers. If you are not getting any answer, we'll discuss. Particular one only we'll discuss. Not everyone. Now be confident, which you learn, you can write perfectly. I need confidence from you. Just fine. Start. Let me know once completed. If you have any doubt, keep that is, we'll discuss that is again. How to write name also I will give few compounds. If you are not getting right formulas, then name how to write also will give that one. Then Okay, fine. If any doubt compound, we'll discuss that is very clearly. How to write also, we'll see few. For example, zinc sulfate. Zinc is 2 plus charging. Charge, you know that one. So K plus 1, calcium 2 plus, aluminum 3 plus. First, apply crisscross method, then write formula. You should not write directly answer. That is wrong. Apply crisscross method. Okay. For example, Fe3. Fe3, this is SO4 2 minus. So what will you get answer? Fe2 SO4 taken thrice. So your answer should be this is. Don't write blindly again. Huh? Here FePO4. Fen, because 3 minus 3 plus will be cancelled. Fe2O3. FeCl3. Got answers? Can you check? Now I am discussing about zinc. ZnSO4, Zn3PO4 twice, Zn3, Zn3N2, ZnO, ZnCl2. Got correct all these things? Last one you can see ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice and SO4 because this is only plus one. NH4 phosphate 3 times, PO4 and NH4 again 3 times, N. Again, existing or not secondary thing. I'm not telling that it's going to be exist or not. Now, how to write formula you know or not? That is I'm expecting. NH4Cl. Got answer? Names is very simple. These are add cation anion name. That's only. Don't write number. For example, potassium sulfate. Otherwise, you can see here ammonium sulfate. That is a name simply. Ammonium phosphate is the name. Zinc sulfate. That is the name. Right. Zinc nitride. IDE. Already given name. Zinc nitride. Zinc oxide. Zinc chloride. Any doubt? Ammonium you got or not still? Some student they said ammonia still I didn't get, sir. Ammonium plus one only. That is just plus one charge. Ammonium. This is one like potassium. If you got potassium, then ammonium also same as it is. Potassium nitride, why you are writing like that? Potassium nitride, see, potassium how much charge? K plus. N how much? 3 minus. First write everyone crisscross. K3N is the answer. Potassium nitride. Back crisscross only, no, you have to write. Without crisscrossing, don't write formula. That is wrong, always wrong. Otherwise, you can apply it in your brain fast, you can write. But for beginners, you should be write on paper crisscross method. You don't need to write direct answers here. Use rough paper, get correct formula, then write. Still, if you have any doubt, you can share. We'll see that one. For aluminum, you're asking. Aluminum and first one is same. Aluminum also 3 plus, Fe also 3 plus. All form in place of iron, keep aluminum. That's your answer. Aluminum sulfate, Al2SO4 taken thrice. In place of iron, keep aluminum because both charge is same. 3, 3. So similar, all. Aluminum phosphate, AlPO4. Aluminum nitride, AlN. Al2O3. Charge same means same you will get. Only symbol will be changed. AlCl3 like this. Any other? You can ask zinc and calcium same, zinc and calcium as it is, and potassium and ammonium plus ion also same. You'll get same. Are you able to hear my voice or any doubt? Are you getting my voice first? Okay, fine. There is sometime maybe because online classes, internet may be good or not. Huh? You can't believe that one. That is the reason. I hope you understood how to write formulas. Shall we move next examples? See, same. Array pattern is same pattern. Okay. Just note down that is pattern. I'm giving the table. You can note down. Okay. Hello. Come on, come. You can come. Sambhava apartment opposite to National College. Opposite to National College. Opposite. National College opposite. C block. TF578. Come and call on. I will again. I will tell. Washing machine. Problem actually new washing machine demo that is. Demo. Onida. Fridge also you can see fridge also. Come we can talk. Onida. Right. I kept in bracket charges. SN. How much this is? 2 sir. 2. SN 2 plus you can take. And chromium 3 plus. Roman letters we are indicating. You can try. Once completed, let me know that one. Every formula you need to write after applying crisscross method. That is a blindly you can remember. Don't write again, which is you have 10 standard knowledge. Some people they have good knowledge. I'm not commenting that one. Right now, which is I thought, please apply that is. I don't want your previous knowledge. If completed, let me know that one. Alright, next class I'm expecting from you, you can choose your own anions and cations, make table. And with name also we need, with name. Good, okay. If any doubt, let me know, we'll discuss anything. A chromium plus 3 type, you can apply Ba2 plus, for example, first one. Array, here I missed that one. KMnO4, sir. This is K. I wrote everything. Little bit you can take here. KMnO4, this is. Direct answer. This is potassium permanganate. You write, this is -1, like Cl F minus. This is -1. This is 2 minus. Here K2Cr2O7, KClO3, K2Cr O4, and Kf. Any other? Suppose chromium. This is 3 action state. Can I write here anyone? Array, barium, nickel, Sn2 plus, almost same all. Suppose you are writing Ba, KMnO4 twice. Sorry, BaMnO4 twice. Here, Ba, sorry, BaCr2O7, BaClO3 twice, BaCrO4, BaF2. Okay, chromium 3, apply charges, you can get. So I'm expecting next class, you can choose same model table, your own. Even already given also sulfate. Take sulfate, all so many anions are given. Take here anions, 3, 4, 5, like make 2 to 3 tables. And corresponding cations, you can take any one cation. With hydrogen, you can take lithium, sodium, rubidium, I given anyone. Okay. You can make at least these are the table with names. This I'm expecting from you next class. And if possible, not possible, you have to learn 1 to 30 elements, atomic masses with atomic numbers, symbol. 1 to 30 elements in the periodic table. Try to remember atomic masses as well as symbols, orderly. These two you have to remember for next class. Next class means tomorrow only, keep in mind. And I will believe who done on rough paper. Before I am asking, you have to check yourself. Take test yourself, self-test. 1 to 30 elements. Take without error, can you write or not? With atomic symbol as well as masses. If you are not able to write, again do one more time. Again do one more time. So number of times up to getting perfectly. After that, sir, we can ask doubts. Like that you have to give that one. Which slide you need? Sorry. Previous slide. This is there. If any doubt, you can answer or discuss my issue. That is 1, 2, 3 slides. Or you can take screenshots if you want. And 1, 2, 3 just I given. Nothing here. 2 and 3 is important because this name you can write. 2 cations list I given. If you want, you can take screenshot. And 3 also I think say anions. I hope I given anions or cations is there. This is also cations. Any other slide? Slide that is I think so what one. Fine. Anions. Next time, maintain one notebook properly for chemistry only. Don't mix that max, physics, and everything, or biology if your people are biology. Chemistry means separate notes. Okay, try to get that notes. That notes have to maintain 2 years. These are all the basics. Or if you learn all these things, your brothers is there, your sisters, anyone they are studying below 10th standard or 10th standard, you can explain very well than those teachers. Very easy, all these things. Yeah. Any doubts still? Someone they're asking number. This is my number. Array, don't expect immediately I can respond for you. Just keep my number. Maybe I will respond, but based on my time. Huh? 9491207523. This is the number. But keep with you in future. Maybe you require. Maybe you'll see that one. Whenever you lose your confidence or you need some motivation, also you can call later. Huh? Fine. So we stop our class now. Which is a given work. Keep in mind. Try to do that one. We can do tomorrow. Still good. We can complete tomorrow only all your basics you got previous classes. Clear? Fine. Bye. Take care. Array Mercurus I given Hg plus. Okay. Already I given that is. You noted down notes. You can see somewhere. Bye. Bye.